Managing a group of CAD computers involves many challenges. Ensuring everyone is running the correct version, are they using the company drawing standards, or do their machines have adequate performance to get their jobs done? To help out with maintaining a group of SolidWorks machines, we've made available a CAD Administrator's dashboard on the customer portal. Let's take a look. The dashboard provides a summary overview of setting modifications, machine information, performance, and session history of all SolidWorks users in the company. You can quickly identify machines that are having performance issues or that are not running current drivers, or even how much downtime a user is having on a certain machine. You can customize when alert flags are shown based on the conditions that are important to you. The system's options lists all the SolidWorks settings on each machine that are different to a designated baseline machine. You can drill down with great detail. This greatly assists in ensuring everyone is following the company's best practices and using the appropriate templates and libraries. Machine Details provides both hardware and driver information for all machines. Unsupported drivers and low memory are clearly highlighted so issues can be spotted with a glance. The machines can be ranked based on any category as well. The RX benchmark provides visual feedback on machine performances. The average SolidWorks benchmark is shown for comparison to your machines. You can filter the graph to view just graphics, I/O, or CPU performance. You can now avoid arguments over who most needs the next hardware upgrade. The session details lists information on how frequently SolidWorks has been run and how the application was closed. Having this information in one place with machine details and system settings can help identify the cause of problems. The CAD Administrator's dashboard will be a great tool to aid you in the smooth running of your design office.